This is class fourth A, subject JC, date 13/1/2020. Lesson third, Animal Kingdom. Lesson third, Animal Kingdom. Revision. This revision, last time we studied about the animals with a backbone, in which we studied about the fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. And another category of animals without a backbone, in which we have studied about the animals having no backbones, and studied about spiders, insects. In this lesson, what have you learned? You learned the animal kingdom has a large variety of animals. Animals with a backbone are called vertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. Aquatic animals like fish breathe through gills. Amphibians can live both on land and in water. Reptiles move with the help of scales on their body. Birds have hollow bones that helps them to fly, and insects have 6 legs. Now, more to know in this lesson. More than 1 million different types of insects have been identified all over the world. Insects breathe through small openings called spiracles. It's very important, as you know, that in case of the how we respire with the help of the we have lungs by which we respire. How fish respire? Fish respire with the help of gills. But these insects, for respiration, these insects are just like the cockroach, having small pores and called the sparkles. They have, when insect like cockroach respire with the help of sparkles. Spiders' thread is 5 times stronger than steel wire of the same thickness. So, this important feature. Spider's thread is 5 times stronger than steel wire of the same thickness. And bat is a flying mammal. We studied some peculiar features in the mammals. Last time we studied about the mammals. Mammals give birth to young ones, and they move with the help of their legs. But some peculiar mammals, as Echidna, duckbill mole, these are the mammals. They do not give birth but these are egg-laying mammals. So duckbill mole, echidna, these mammals do not give birth to young ones, but these are egg-laying mammals. The same way, bat is a mammal that is able to fly. Others mammals do not fly. So bat is a flying mammal. And dolphins next. Dolphins and blue whales are among mammals but look like fish. Dolphins and blue whales are actually mammals but look like fish. So word powers are given here. Vertebrates, animals with backbone. Now next, gills, breathing organs of fish and some amphibians. And regulate means to control. Web, a network of fine threads constructed by a spider. So a network of fine threads constructed by a spider is called web. And scales, small overlapping bony plates protecting the skin of fish and reptiles are called scales. Once again, small overlapping bony plates protecting the skin of fish and reptiles are called as the scales. Now, if we see the worksheet third, first we have to see true and false. We see worksheet Worksheet 3. T R F. This is A. Right? T R F. Which one is true and which one is false? Once again, listen. Animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. Once again, listen you. Animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. It is true or false? It is false. So first one is false, because animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. So this statement is false. Now next, body of many fish is covered with scales. Body of many fish is covered with scales. It is true. The second is true. Now third, birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Yes, it is true. It is true. So third is also true. Now see the fourth. Reptiles breathe through gills. Reptiles breathe through gills. You know some examples of reptiles, as in whom you see wall lizard. Wall lizard, you are familiar with wall lizard. This is a member of reptiles. So it breathes through gills? No. So this statement is false. This statement is false. Non-intuitive see. All spiders have 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. Yes, it is true. All spiders have 8 legs. So this statement is true. So A we have studied. Now B we have to see the B. Give 2 examples of each of the following. B. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Second, we can see second. Now B. Give 2 examples of each of the following. One is reptiles. First, reptiles. You know the reptiles. You are familiar with snake, crocodile, lizards. These are few examples of the reptiles. So reptiles example you can write snakes, crocodiles. These are examples of the reptiles. Now next, mammals. Mammals. Example of 2 mammals. We are ourselves mammals. You are also mammals. Goat, buffalo, and your others pets, just like the dog. These are the mammals. So you can write in 2 examples. You can write 2 examples: cow and goat as the example. Now next, amphibians. Third one, amphibians. Amphibians. You know some amphibians? You know the frog, toad. These are the examples of the amphibian. So you can write as frog and toad. Any example? Now next, after frog and toad, next, flightless birds. You know flightless birds? Birds which are unable to fly. Flightless birds example: ostrich, emu. Third, now 4, flight, flightless birds. You know ostrich. Ostrich, emu. These are the examples of the flightless birds. And next, insects. Next, you write down insects. Your favorite insects, that is housefly and butterfly. These are examples of the insects. So, thank you. That's all today.